I think this 3-gun deal is going to be fun. Got a lot of training to do, a lot of practice. Just learning how to load stuff fast is it's a lot of work, a lot of practice. And it's Wednesday, and Saturday is going to be the first 3-gun that I try out. So just want to be proficient at loading. That's where you waste a lot of time, so we'll see what happens. But let's give this a try. Alright, the gun is clear. So basically I'm shooting. I'm going to spin over and load 8 is the plan. Oh, see, caught on my shirt. See, when I reach too far, there we go. But it's all about practice. Thing's kicking my butt, man. Enjoying it, having fun doing it, but I don't like to go somewhere and suck at it, so that's why I practice and practice. So we'll see what happens. I'll do one more run with you guys, and then I'll probably hang it up for a little while, let my hands recoup. There, here we go. Going. That was pretty good for a rookie. So I'll keep you guys updated on how the 3-gun went, and we'll have some fun. I mean, you guys can maybe check out some cool stuff, and I'll be learning how to do 3-gun. So with that said, I appreciate my buddy letting me borrow the shotgun that's designed for 3-gun. You know, it's obviously got an open feed ramp. Thing's been welded there so you don't rip your finger or your fingernail off. Extended tube mag or mag well or whatever they call it. It's a bitchin' shotgun though. So you guys have a good day. And remember, is your 6 covered? Like, share, and subscribe, my friends. Try 6,947. Reload. Come on. Don't. Slow. Try 6,592. Beep. See? It's not easy. Horrible. Training. Trying to learn a new sport of 3-gun. And all these contraptions of having to reload shotgun shells. A lot of fun. I've been sitting in here for a long time. Hands are sore. And that's how we get better. Train. So you guys take care. Have a good one. See you on the flip side.